Good morning, guys. I'm the old mechanic and I'm almost finished with my BMW S1000R. But what I discovered on my son, his S1000R, in the long term that could become a problem. But of course I have a solution for that. Come on over and we start. Now guys, what I discovered on my son's bike is that this wiring was not where it's supposed to be with that tie wrap, and it was scraping against this chain, and it causes a defect on the cable over here. And another problem is this cable. Now watch. Every time you put it in another gear, at least in when you going back, or put it in first gear, it touches, scrapes against the frame over here. And this is, yeah, in time that's gonna be a problem. So we're gonna solve that. It's actually very easy. So watch. Spanner, even kijken deze. Dat ding. You take 2 spanners of 13 and you unlock this nut and turn it, this one, just a teeny bit. Hey, I still have friends. Over to that position, just a tiny bit. Block it again, and see, now it stays free in all directions. Could be a little bit more. So just okay. So, see, now there is still a tiny bit room. This, so, job done.